60 days ago I made a commitment. Upload every single day. No days off. No excuses. No skipping because the video was not perfect or because life got in the way. 60 videos. 60 days. One consistent promise to everyone who subscribed. Today is day 60. And I want to do something different with this video. No tutorial. No income strategy. No AI tool review. Just honesty. Everything I learned. Every mistake I made. Every surprise that changed how I think about building a channel and building income with AI. All of it shared with you today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. And thank you, genuinely, for being here for 60 days. What I got right. Let me start with what worked. Because understanding what actually drove growth is more useful than a list of things I am proud of. Consistency was the single most important factor. Not video quality. Not production value. Not having the perfect topic. Showing up every single day and publishing something, even on the days when I was not sure it was good enough, built an audience faster than any single viral video ever could. The algorithm rewards channels that post consistently because it can predict your output. When you post every day, the algorithm learns your audience, tests your content more frequently, and distributes your videos to more people over time. The channels that grow fastest are not always the ones with the best content. They are the ones that show up every day without fail. Specific and honest content outperform generic and polished content every single time. The videos where I shared real numbers, admitted what failed, and gave genuinely specific advice consistently outperformed videos that were technically well produced but stayed vague and safe. Viewers can feel the difference between a creator sharing what they genuinely know and a creator saying what sounds impressive. The specific and honest videos built trust. The trust built subscribers. The subscribers built the channel. What I got wrong. Now the harder part. The mistakes. I underestimated how long thumbnails take. In the early days I spent too little time on thumbnails and too much time on scripts. A script that takes 3 hours to write and a thumbnail that takes 20 minutes to design, that ratio was wrong. The thumbnail is what gets the video clicked. A great script behind a weak thumbnail gets ignored. A good script behind a compelling thumbnail gets watched. I got the ratio wrong for the first 20 or 30 videos. From around day 30 onwards, I invested more time in thumbnail quality. The improvement in click-through rates was immediate and measurable. I also underestimated the importance of the first 30 seconds of every video. Viewers decide whether to keep watching in the first half minute. I spent enormous energy on the body of each script and not enough on the opening hook. Midway through the 60 days I started treating the first 30 seconds as the most important part of the entire script. Watch time improved noticeably as a result. The most important lesson about AI income: 60 days of daily content covering every major AI income strategy taught me one thing above everything else. AI is not the income. AI is the accelerant. The people generating real income with AI are not doing it because AI does everything for them. They are doing it because AI allows them to execute their skills faster, produce more output, and serve more clients than was ever possible manually. The freelancer who earns more with AI is still a skilled freelancer. AI just lets them deliver in hours what used to take days. The content creator who grows faster with AI is still someone who understands their audience and what they want. AI just handles the production that would otherwise slow them down. The product creator who scales passive income with AI is still someone who built something genuinely valuable. AI just compressed the creation timeline from months to weeks. If you are waiting for AI to do everything for you, it will not. But if you bring your own skills, your own expertise, and your own genuine effort, AI will multiply every single one of them in ways that were not possible just a few years ago. The channel growth reality real numbers are more useful than vague encouragement. This channel launched with 0 subscribers. After 60 days of daily content, it has grown to a meaningful audience of real people who found this content valuable enough to subscribe and return. The growth was not linear. The first 2 weeks were slow. Weeks 3 and 4 accelerated. Growth compounded from around day 35 as the algorithm recognized the channel as a consistent, reliable source in the AI niche. The income picture reflects exactly what I shared in the income stream experiment video. Service-based income generates the fastest results. Passive products take longer but compound beautifully. Both are real and both are growing. What is coming in the next 60 days? The daily upload commitment continues. The next 60 days go deeper into AI systems and frameworks, more honest experiments with real numbers, more tool comparisons, and more strategy for creators building genuine long-term income. Every video will continue on the same foundation that got us here. Specific. Honest. Genuinely useful. No fluff. No hype. Thank you. Building this channel has genuinely changed how I think about AI, income, and what is possible when you commit to something consistently and refuse to quit. The most valuable thing I learned in 60 days is not any specific AI tool or income strategy. It is that consistency compounded over time produces results that feel almost disproportionate to the daily effort involved. Show up every day. Do the work. Trust the compounding. That is the real lesson. From 60 days of learning it the hard way. What has been your favorite video from the first 60 days? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every single comment. If this channel has given you even one useful idea, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech if you have not already. We upload every single day. The best is still to come. See you tomorrow for day 61.